Hey coaches, 5 and 6 division. Just wanted to give you guys a quick little bit of a tutorial, a little bit of a heads up on what to expect on Friday night for your games, because as a 5 and 6 year old coach, you're actually on the court with your whistle organizing the game on the floor. And so with that, comes a little bit of responsibility. But again, they're 5 and 6 year olds. We just want to keep the game moving and having fun. So the biggest thing is probably the defensive rule in this division. In the 5 and 6 division, the key that you see on the floor for the hoop, the key is this thin blue line right here. This is the key. And your defense, all of your defenders have to stay inside the key, at least with 1 foot inside the key, okay? They can't run up at half court and meet somebody or come outside the three-point line to play defense, except for one exception. If you're on offense, you're dribbling up here above the key. No one can defend you in this division. But once you dribble down at the free throw line extended, so that's the free throw line right here, this line extended all the way across the court. When your team has the ball and you come below the free throw line, one defender from the box is allowed to come out and play defense, but only one. Now you as a coach can designate this player. You could switch it. Maybe if they're on the right side, you have one person. If they're on the left side, you have another person. You can choose how to do that, but only one defender can come out of the box at a time to play defense on the ball carrier if they dribble below the free throw line. Now, if the ball carrier comes back above the free throw line, your defender has to go back in the box. So as the coaches, that's why you have your whistle. That's what you're both going to be on the floor helping regulate this rule. Okay, that's the toughest part probably, is you'll hear it all day. Back in the box, back in the box, defense in the box, defense in the box, back in the box. And that's what we're talking about. So that's a key component. And as a coach, go ahead and use your whistle. In the first week, it's not even going to be a turnover or anything like that. It would just be like a boop, 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 blow your whistle, get your kids back in the box. You can have offense reset. They can even just start dribbling right in the middle, play, play, play. The idea is to keep the game flowing here, okay? Also, as a referee, a coach of this division, we're not calling traveling, we're not calling double dribble. Excuse me. You want to keep the kids safe. So if you see kids bear hugging somebody, you can blow your whistle. Please do blow your whistle. Okay, the kids do respond to that. What they don't respond to is, hey, let go, let go, let go, because they're kind of trained in their mind when they hear a whistle to stop and see. So like, let's say whoever has the ball, if there's someone like holding someone, they've got their arms around them, you can blow your whistle, explain to them real quick, hey, listen, we have to play defense with our hands off. We can't grab another player. And then just give the ball back to whoever had the ball. Let them start again. The idea isn't to a bunch of penalties. Again, it's to keep the kids going, keep the dribbling going, and try and keep the game flowing. Another big thing that you're going to want to learn about for this division, all of our divisions, is where the court boundaries are. We have a lot of lines in the gym, but this 2-inch blue line that goes all around the floor is out of bounds. So that's our sideline all the way down the court, and this 2-inch going that way is our baseline, all the way down the line. That's the baseline. So as kids make a basket, it can be a little confusing. Sometimes they look at this big giant blue line that we have on the floor. That's not your playing line for this court. It's this line. A made basket, we want the kids to bring it out here, pass the ball in to their teammate. The other team's already gone back on defense. The defensive team is back inside the box, waiting for the offensive team to show up. I think that's the main things for the 7 and 8 division. A couple things you want to think about as a coach is every 5 minutes, is a substitution. The clock doesn't stop, it just keeps running. The main idea is that you would empty your bench. Whoever's on your bench comes in. If you have 4 people on your bench, 4 people come in, 1 guy stays. You do need to sit everybody at least 1 5-minute session during the half. But again, the clock runs on those substitutions. So if you take 2 minutes to get your kids on and off the floor, that's 2 minutes less playing time for them. And we don't want to do that. So should be quick. And then once both teams are situated back on after the substitution, you can pass the ball in and take it away from there. There's just a couple quick things that I think will help you guys for our 5 and 6 division. And if you have any questions, of course, ask Shane or I. We're happy to help. Thanks, guys.